supposed to snow Monday.
I know. Try not to remind me.
Get in there.
I can't go into the inside. Now that I'm serious shit up. I'm gonna cut that one on the inside. That'll give me enough room to go around it, I think. Weld it back together.
Yeah.
Nothing?
It's spinning, but that's it.
The whole thing?
Yeah. I didn't notice.
See, if I go in there, I don't want to cut into that bracket. You know what I mean?
I do.
I don't want to go like that. Just gonna go
You have a
into
smaller
that.
wheel?
Yeah, then I can't go all the way into it. I guess I can go right there. Who cares if I cut into the bottom one, I guess. Because we're replacing the control arm anyway, right?
What if you go at an angle?
Like this?
What if...
See, I wonder if
remove that, unbolt it, shock swing down.
Yeah, we could do it that way, but we still need to get the shock off because we got to spin it around 180.
Yeah, but if you swing it down, you might be able to cut from the top. You get another part of that bolt.
Well, I could rotate the bolt.
Oh, that's right. Hey, we'll lay that last. There you go.
Okay.
Hey, you should pick that up with your bare hands.
I got this. I got this. Go big or go home, man.
Is this steel or aluminum?
Steel.
We're fighting this right now.
Are we? Here.
What else are we fighting?
Should be it. There, now we're off. There we go. So now I can go like this. Take the shock all the way out. Just take it out. Look at this goofy ass thing, dude. That's it. That's the one. It's over here.
Do you have that spray rust? Make a match?
I want to make sure that bolt goes through there, though. Where did we do with that bolt?
I think you got it. You had it on there.
I did.
On the other one?
It's right here. It's right here. Let's see if it goes through this.
Oh. does. Is it long enough?
Yeah. If you go through the shock,
How much thread's on the outside?
All of them.
but then you go through the shock
Yeah.
on the other side, and it's like right there. So we might have to throw another washer on it, but
Okay.
it'll be tight enough.
Right on,
we'll
man.
be good. Okay, see, I kind of scratched it. You see?
Yeah.
So you lock that one. This one here is going to go through this way. You see the notch?
Yep. From the out. Oh, we got it. Hold on. Right there. There we go.
Okay. And this ain't going to be perfect, but
No,
it's
no.
going to get.
I'm gonna get
be
alignment.
close.
I'll get an alignment done. Tom's still out of his working, I wonder?
Yeah.
They should, right? You can ask him.
Yeah.
I'll ask
Do
him.
it.
It's good enough.
Right
Somebody
there.
else-
Okay, so now
It's good.
we're going to hold that. And then we gotta move this one.
All right.
Huh?
It was good.
Oh, it was good?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, so
Right
how,
there.
how you gotta do this, Brett? You gotta preload this thing. Okay? So you're gonna hold that wrench. You gotta hold your tongue just right. You're gonna push this thing here up because it's gonna preload what we want. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Then hold this one where you want it. You ready? Is it where you want it?
Yeah. That's where that
Move it
notch
where
is.
you want it if you're not.
That's where it is.
Okay. Just like that.
Kind of goofy.
Yeah, it is kind of goofy.
That's the second favorite word.
First one's
That's true.
there it is. Okay.
Nice.
Went in there. All right. Do you want to pull down on that one?
Sure.
It's gonna go right there. Just like that.
Goes this way, Mark.
Go through.
See if it'll go.
Might need
Fire.
might need to go more.
Yeah.
You go more.
You.
Me?
Brett.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You look like Amos and Andrew putting that one together.
Is that the right thread? Okay.
Paperweight. Yeah.
Got it?
I think so.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
Okay, a couple threads.
Good job, Levi. There you go, bro. Nice, man.
Wee doggy.
Oh, let this down.
No.
So we get this in.
We could do. Well, yeah. Make sure that didn't pop out again. Got a couple of them in there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tighten all the crap up.
Yeah. Sweet hot.
Wow!
That's getting a bit nippy.
Nipply. It's a titty bit nipply out. Back to the other gun.
You can build you a couple more of those adapters,
I
man.
think so.
Or just replace all the damn nipples with the right ones.
That's silly.
Yeah,
That's silly,
why would I
Brett.
do
Why the
that?
f would I do that?
Exactly. I don't know what I was thinking.
Is that thunder?
Yep.
Awesome. Luckily, we're not working on any metal.
There it is. Shut, there's jack there, Mark. It's twice as bad as ice.
Should have moved the jack.
Yeah. Fuck. It's not action if you ain't got trip hazards, man. Let's put the tire on, I think. Okay, so tight, 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 tight. A little too tight. Let me see. That was fun, Brett.
Yeah.
I can always count on you for a good time.
Oh yeah, man. Me or Mark, or both. In this case, it's both.
Yeah, this is a good time. You know.
Thanks, guys.
What would it be if working on cars today, Brett? If shit didn't go right. I mean, if shit went right all the time, fuck, we would be all over it.
Ready?
Yep. Good. Yeah, that's a lot taller. Hey, that.
Yeah, I should have taken some measurements, huh?
Well, we know it was 4 inches before.
Now I gotta go out to my dad's.
Oh yeah, huh? What you want to do?
I'm gonna learn to do an Indian beating.
Oh, okay.
He makes these camera straps, these really nice camera straps, and like banjo straps and guitar straps. And he fucking sent one to Brad Paisley.
Oh,
Really? He sent one to
A
Steve
camera
Martin.
strap or a guitar strap?
Like a banjo strap. Like you can use it
okay.
whatever you want. You know, my dad will make it whatever you want. And it takes him, if he works on it dead all the way through, it takes him 5 weeks to make one strap. But he doesn't work on it straight through, so he'll end up doing, it'd take him probably like 6 or 8 months to do a strap.
yeah.
Okay? So he's like, yeah. So anyway, he sent one to Brad Paisley. And he sent a note on it. He says, look, inside's a custom-made strap that I personally made by this. This is what it is. I want, if you want this strap, he goes, you give me $1, that way I know you got it, and I just want to see you at the Country Music Awards using this strap on your guitar. That's
Really?
it. That's all.
Are we missing one of these?
If
That
you
was
don't want it, there's a return envelope. Oh, that's it.
There's
That's
not
it.
one that goes right here?
Nope. That's it. He goes, if you don't want it, there's a return envelope address in there.
Okay.
And he did. He goes, if you were to buy this from me on my online website, he goes, I'd sell it to you for $2,000 because of the work that it takes
how much
to do all this shit. So he says, that's all I want. You know, if you want it, just send me $1. That way I know you got it, and I want to see it on the Country Music Awards. That's it. So he's like, oh yeah, let's see what happens. A month later, it came back in the mail in this box.
You don't want it?
He didn't want it. So he sent one to Steve Martin. Because Steve Martin's a fucking shredding motherfucker on a fucking banjo.
Yeah.
You ever see him on there?
Yeah.
So he sent one to Steve Martin. He's got it. And he says, I'm sorry, I can't use it. He goes, thank you for it. I will keep it. Here's your $1. And he sent a picture of him holding it.
Oh.
So, but my dad's like, I can't get my name out there if he doesn't fucking use the thing.
Right.
Right.
So he wants me to try and fucking carry on this fucking thing of trying to bead these straps. And so I can try to fucking see if I can give it to a country music artist or something like
Brad
that.
Paisley wouldn't do it, huh?
Paisley wouldn't do it. He goes, I don't want that fucking Canadian motherfucker that's married to Nicole Kidman. He goes, this is American-made shit, man. We don't need no Canadian in there. That's what my dad said. So I was like, all right, well, I'll go out there. So he made me a jig and everything, and I gotta go out. He bought beads and all kinds of shit and string for me and all kinds of shit.
Get in here now.
Huh?
I can't even get in here.
Yeah,
Now I'm gonna have to get stepped.
Get a step stool.
Get some of them.
Get a handle.
crazy- Yeah.
Good, man. Tight.
Good.
And it's not making much.
Yeah, it's level as shit right now. I mean, you can get out and look at it, dude. You can see it's level. Looks good. Yeah.
Just don't put anything in the back.